guys, and welcome back to Reagan's Reading Corner. Today we have another guest star, my friend Lily. She'll be reading an amazing book that I really think you guys will enjoy today.
Hey guys, I'm Lily, and today I'll be reading Birdie's Big Girl Dress by Sujin Rim. Birdie and Mother were busy. Tomorrow was Birdie's birthday party, and tomorrow was almost here. Birdie skipped around the house with her dog, Monster, as she finished the party decorations. She couldn't wait to dance to her favorite songs, play her favorite games, and share a birthday cake with all her friends. Birdie went to get her favorite party dress from her closet, but when she tried to put it on, it was too small. "Don't worry, sweetheart," said Mommy. "We'll go shopping tomorrow and get you something that will fit just right." The next morning, Birdie, Mommy, and Monster walked to their favorite boutique. Guess who was there? Birdie's friends, Coco, Charlie, and Eve. "Hi, Birdie," said Coco. "Look at the dress I'm getting for your party." "And look at mine," added Eve. "Ooh," squealed Birdie. "They're perfect." Birdie's mother handed her a fabulously frilly sundress. It was beautiful, but it was too big to play games in. Next, Birdie tried on a lacy sheath. It was silky and smooth, but it was too snug to eat cake in. So Birdie reached for the gauzy gown. It made Birdie feel like a lady, but it was too long to dance in. Birdie tried on dress after dress, but none of them felt just like her. Poor Birdie, she had nothing to wear to her own party. "What are you going to do now?" asked Charlie. "I don't know, but I'll think of something," she said. "See you at the party." Birdie took her Mommy's hand as they went home. When they got back, Birdie had an idea. "Mommy," Birdie asked, "can Monster and I go up to the attic? Maybe there's something special there just for me on my birthday." "Okay, darling," Mommy said with a smile. "Don't be too long." "Oh," exclaimed Birdie when she turned on the light. The attic was a magical place. Birdie giggled as she wrapped a big shawl around herself. She felt so stylish. "Here, Monster, try on this top hat." Monster felt so dapper, but whose clothes were these? Birdie knew they must have belonged to her grandmother and grandpa. "Ooh, look, Monster, isn't this one the most beautiful dress?" Monster looked pretty in pink, too. "I love Grandpa's fancy vest." "Ooh, such pretty hats. This one is my very favorite." Before Birdie knew it, she was ready for her party, and just in time. Ding dong, ding dong. The doorbell rang and rang. Coco and Charlie and Eve were here. "Wow, Birdie, you look beautiful. I haven't seen those clothes in ages," Mommy said. "Ooh, ah," her friend squealed. "Is that your new dress?" "Yes," said Birdie with a smile. She looked down and twirled. "It's my new Birdie dress." "Happy birthday, Birdie," everyone sang, and it was. Thank you for watching. Back to you, Reagan.
Thank you so much for reading, Lily. If you guys enjoyed that video just as much as I did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up down below. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.